Hi, this is Dr. Blake and Dr. Louie, and I want to thank you for taking the time to come and hear our talk on periodontal disease. Periodontal disease is a long-time problem that's been going on forever. I've observed it for at least the 40 years I've been in it in practice. Periodontal disease basically is a degenerative disease of the gum and teeth and bone supporting the teeth. Most people think of this as an acute problem, which means it just comes on suddenly. However, it's actually an expression of chronic disease. In homeopathy, we call it acute manifestation of chronic disease, which simply put means it's an existing susceptibility within the animal that's brought on by different etiologies or causes. The best way to prevent periodontal disease is to avoid certain things. Certain things that I've come up with and I've observed that contribute to periodontal disease are vaccinations, especially the overuse of them. Number 2, food, diet, unclean water, chemicals, and drugs. So my advice has always been to my clients to avoid all of these at all costs. Next step is what can you do about it without doing any harm to the patient? The problem is that oftentimes in our attempts to try and heal the animal or correct the problem, we end up adding problems to the particular patient. As Dr. Schweitzer said, the great doctor is the doctor who awakens the doctor within. So our goal is to find a way to help the doctor within, each dog, cat, pig, or horse, to find a way to heal itself. So the first part is the avoidance, which we talked about. The second part is what can we do naturally without the use of drugs, chemicals, and vaccines to help the animal heal itself. So the first thing I like to use is bovine colostrum. Immutech is the brand I use. It's on my website, thepetwhisperer.com, and you can read all about it. The basic use of it is to support the immune system and the digestive system. Second product that I like to use is a product called 1-TDC. Is a esterified fatty acid complex, a natural fatty acid complex. It has anti-inflammatory processes. It also is antibacterial, and it also helps the healing process of the body, and from my experience helps with detoxification. It's palatable, easy to give to the patient. Cats and dogs like it. You can massage it in the gums, put it in the food, put it on the tip of their nose. Wonderful product. The third thing I like to use is Cello Therapy. Cello Therapy is a phytotherapy, plant therapy based system. It comes from France, and you can read all about it on my website under Cello Therapy, thepetwhisperer.com. The main focus on this product is detoxification and strengthening of aspects of the body depending on which organ system you're trying to help. I mainly use for the use of periodontal disease would be common juniper, rowan tree, and black currant are my favorites for that. You can read it on my website as well. The last part of this is, of course, the diet. So stay with as natural a diet as you can. Raw is preferred. Bones are excellent for both dogs and cats, raw or cooked. My feeling about all of this is that the best thing you can do is avoid the things we talked about, enhance their immune system, optimum healing by using the products I've talked about, and my favorite would be classical homeopathy. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.